Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the video. Guys, we are continuing the build here. For new viewers, I'm doing a 180 swap in this here Caddy. The whole front end of a 6K2 Ibiza. It's going to be sweet. I'm going to do everything myself. It's on a tight budget. Yeah guys, it's also a major struggle, so if you like to see me struggle, then please stick around. In this video, we're just gonna fight this car again, guys, because it's giving me a hard time. I'm kinda bummed I'm only losing here, so I'll try to find some stuff to do that's an easy win. I did pick up some bend, so I can make a replacement pipe for this silencer. Should be good. I'm going to leave the handbrake cables because, yeah, there's some good suggestions by you guys. There's definitely good solutions in there, but I'm just going to leave it for now because, yeah, I want to do this on a tight budget, so I can't just spend 50 bucks on some adapters or something. So I'm going to try to make it myself or make a cable myself. We'll see. For now, yeah. I just want to get the exhaust done and the fuel tank, but first I need to do some rust in the wheel well. Oh, yeah, guys, let's go. think I'm going insane, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, man. There's so much rust here. Every corner I look, there is some more rust. There you go. Why do these caddies rust so much, guys? I don't understand. We'll fix it though. So, let's go.
Bro, don't give up. You're not insane. Don't quit. You can do it.
Guys. Oh man. This is all I have time for, guys. I really want to upload a video every 2 weeks. So yeah, guys. I feel defeated. I am going to count this as a win. Because the patch turned out good. At least the seam sealer. I always like to try to make it look original, and I think it worked out, so I'm happy about that. I'm dreading the other rust. It's gonna be so much work, guys. I don't wanna have a body work channel, but yeah, I have to do what I have to do to make this caddy cool again. So yeah, guys. I think I'm insane. Oh, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.